Hello students, in today's session we are going to continue with the ninth chapter of class 8th science NCERT textbook, that is reproduction in animals. So in today's session we are going to study about the male reproductive system. So the male reproductive system, as we just studied it in brief in the previous lecture, but in today's lecture we are going to study in detail about male reproductive system. So it includes a pair of testes. The male reproductive system includes a pair of testes. As I told you, here this pink colored portion, these two, it is the testes. Then two sperm ducts. It has two sperm ducts, as you can see here. This narrow tube like structure. It is the sperm ducts, these two. Then it consists of a penis. A penis. This you can see is the penis. This structure, it is the penis. Now first we will study about testes. The function of testis is sperm formation. It forms the sperms and it is facilitated by the male sex hormone testosterone. It is facilitated by the male sex hormone testosterone. Okay, the function of testis is to form the sperm and is facilitated by male sex hormone testosterone. Testis, testosterone. Then comes the scrotum. Scrotum is a sac-like structure that provides 2 to 3 less temperature than body temperature. It is a sac-like structure and it provides 2 to 3 degree Celsius less temperature than the body temperature, the temperature that is required for the sperm formation. Then comes the epididymis. Epididymis is to store sperms temporarily. As you can see, this purple colored portion, it is the epididymis. So here in the testis the sperms are formed and this epididymis stores the sperms temporarily. Then comes the vas deferens. If this you can see, this is the vas deferens. This vas deferens is a duct that carries sperm. It carries the sperm. The sperms are formed in the testis. They are stored in the epididymis, and from this epididymis a pipe is connected. Pipe-like structure, tube-like structure is connected. That is the vas deferens, and this vas deferens carries the sperms. Now comes the seminal vesicles. This seminal vesicle, they are a gland that secrete fluid called seminal fluid. They secrete the seminal fluid. As you can see, this is the seminal vesicles and they secrete the seminal fluid. And the function of seminal vesicle, or if I say the function of the seminal fluid, is to provide motility medium to sperms. It provides the motility medium, means as you all know that the sperms are non-motile, they are non-movable. So but the sperms have to get attached, they have to fuse with the egg or the ovum, so that's why they have to move. So the seminal vesicle helps, it provides the movement to the sperms, and also it provides nutrition to sperm, and the sperm and fluid is now called as semen. So the combination of both the sperm and fluid, now it is called as semen. Then comes the common duct. Common duct is a duct formed by urethra. See, this is the urethra, yellow colored pipe tube like structure, this. So it forms a common duct. This duct is formed by the urethra and vas deferens. This vas deferens here and here, this is urethra and this is a vas deferens. They form a duct for the secretion of urine as well as semen. So it is formed for the secretion of urine as well as semen. Then comes the structure of sperm. Now comes the structure of sperm, which is the most important topic of this chapter. The sperm. Sperm consists of 3 parts: head, middle piece and tail. Okay, if this is the head part, this part, yellow colored part. Then this part is the middle piece and this is the tail. So millions of sperms, they are produced by the testes. So though these sperms are very small in size, but they have a head, middle piece and tail. Now, and one more thing, that sperm, it's a single cell. It has all the usual components, but it is a single cell. Now let's study about all these parts in detail. Head is the part which has a nucleus and a hydrolyzing enzyme. See, it has a head part. This is the head part and it has a nucleus. This head part has the nucleus, as you can see, the blue color, and a hydrolyzing enzyme at tip. This hydrolyzing enzyme is this yellow colored hydrolyzing enzyme is there, which we call as acrosome at tip, and it is capable of lysis ovum. It lysis means it breaks down the ovum so that the sperm can fuse with it. So this head part has a nucleus and a hydrolyzing enzyme which is secreted. This hydrolyzing enzyme is secreted by acrosome, which is this yellow colored part at tip, which is capable of lysing ovum. Then comes the middle piece, this part. This part is the middle piece. Middle piece has mitochondria. This green color portion you can see, this is mitochondria that provide energy to the sperm. It provides the energy to the sperm. Then comes the tail. This tail helps in the movement of sperm. It has a part called as flagellum. This flagellum helps in the movement of sperm. So with this we complete our today's topic, that is male reproductive system. In the next topic, in the next session, we are going to study about the female reproductive system. But before that, you have to go through the male reproductive system very clearly. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.